self-restraint at a young age.
Devin told us to go deep, so we went deep. Here it comes. Wait for it. And one more time. Hold on.
Oh, this is...
You gotta make sure you tell them to watch the black truck on the right side of the screen.
Alright. Black truck. Right side. Let's see if I can.
Anthony, tilt the camera.
Here it goes.
He's okay.
He's okay. He busted his shin on the window and probably left a dent in the truck, but
He might
yeah,
have actually passed out there for a second.
I'm pretty sure he did.
He's getting up.
Okay.
He's getting up.
He didn't get up till like 10 minutes after this.
No, he's getting up now.
No, he just moved his leg. He didn't get up till like 10 minutes after this. We all start laughing and then, yeah. Good times. Good times.